For the people who are wondering how to make your Python speak, I think there are two ways to actually make this work. One of which is using the PyTTSE3 module. Very, very tough name to say, but it's an actual module, it seems. And the module is most probably pre-installed when you install Python, or you can just pip install pyttex3. My pip is not updated, so it will be error, and I also have pre-installed it. So that's the first step, and the second step would be to import it in your program, pyttex3. Let me take it as x, for example, because it's a pretty large name. Our first step would be is to declare a function. It's a variable which holds all the functions in this module. I'm going to call it you can call it by any name. T is equal to x dot init function. That's it, parenthesis. X represents our module, which is pytt. Yeah, that function. So that's our basic setup. So the second thing we want to do is to actually make Python speak. So we are going to use of the engine, or the variable which it holds all the function, which is t at this point. T is equal to, say, hello, for example. And if I just run this code, you will exactly get nothing on the output, because we are missing a function called run and wait function. P dot run and wait function. So I think this commands the module to run and wait. So runs and waits. So
Hello.
yeah, that's it. That's the basics of how to write a code in Python. What? How to make Python speak. Okay. So besides, this module offers some of the customization for your voice. For example, there is the rate and volume. And so let me explain. So we're gonna take t and give set property function we use to set a property. So there are two arguments for this property. One is one of the property you want to change, which is given as string, and the second one is the changes you want to make. First, let's go rate. So in under quotes we have to give rate, comma, and now let me explain the rate. Rate is the words per minute we speak. If I give like 20 and then run this code,
Hello.
very, very slow speech. So for a normal human being, I think I would recommend 140 for a
Hello.
natural sounding voice. But if you want to just go crazy, and then yeah, that's also possible if you want to do. So the second property is the volume property. Under quotes you have to give volume. So the volume takes the floating values from 0 to 1. It always lies between 0 to 1, so you can't exceed the 1 at all, or you can't go below 0 at all. For example, giving 1.0 would be the maximum voice that it can provide,
Hello.
and at the same time giving 0.5 is the half of the maximum.
Hello.
Going below that, uh,
Hello.
One eternity later.
now it is fixed.
Hello.
Yeah, the volume is now reducing. See, 4.
Hello.
I give 1.0.
hello,
it's the maximum voice. These are the majorly used, common, most easy to use, most brilliant ways to control your property. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Enjoyed it. Please give a like,